Hey guys, today we'll be focusing on each and every fielding position and its role in a cricket field. And also we'll see how to remember these positions in a really efficient and easy manner. So let's start with some basic knowledge of a cricket field. A cricket field is generally circular in shape with the pitch being at its center, which is surrounded by a 30-yard circle that divides the field into an infield and outfield. Also, there are two imaginary 15-yard circles around the pitch, which is jointly known as the close infield region. If a right-handed batter is on strike, this half of the ground is known as offside, while this will be leg or onside. Majorly, there are 8 divisions of a cricket field: third man region, point, cover, mid-off, mid-on, mid-wicket, square leg, and fine leg. Now we'll look at every fielding position and their variations starting from the third man region. First we have the most important fielder, that is the wicket keeper right behind the stumps. Then we have the slips which stand next to the wicket keeper in the following manner. Then we have the gully fielder. The gap between a gully and slip would be larger than that of two slips. This is the third man position, which is generally placed at the 45-degree angle to the batsman. If third man is placed on the 30-yard circle in the same line, then it's called short third man. Out. Whereas if he is placed at the boundary, it will become deep third man.
Oh, it's in the air, Moeen there.
If the fielder is moved towards his left, it is fine third man or square third man when moved in the opposite direction. Fly slip can be any fielder placed between the short third man and slip cordon. Next comes the point region. Point fielder is located exactly in the line of popping crease.
Ball from Klusner.
Pretty firmly, not quite where he intended, sliced a bit. Jonty Rose knows he can only just get a hand to it, but look at that for concentration.
When moved to his left, it becomes backward point.
PJ Watling saw it as a scoring opportunity. Ravindra Jadeja.
While it becomes forward point when moved to his right. If point is placed as a catching position in close infield, then it is known as silly point. Just like point fielder, we also have backward silly point and forward silly point. If the point fielder is at the boundary, then it is deep point, and similarly has the variations deep backward point and deep forward point. Next is covers region. This is the cover fielder.
That should be taken comfortably.
Cover in close infield position is known as short cover.
Comfortable. It's a slow delivery. He goes hard and a quality.
And cover at the boundary is deep cover.
Bunch in the air should be taken.
Fielder to the left of cover is cover point. Who at the boundary is deep cover point.
Through the offside and taken, is it?
Extra cover is the fielder right next to cover.
Out.
Extra cover at the boundary is also known as sweeper cover. This is the primary mid-off position at the circle.
Catches the call.
This is the short mid-off near the non-striker's end. This is silly mid-off who stands very close to the batsman.
It's a really good.
Mid-off at the boundary line becomes long off.
Still toss. Still toss. It's out.
Shepard's going to take this. He's going to wrap it in.
Long off towards the cover region is said to be wide long off, and when it is moved towards the pitch line, then it becomes straight long off. All fielding positions in the mid-on region are exactly the mirror image of the mid-off region, like mid-on,
It could be out. Straight to mid-on.
short mid-on, silly mid-on, long on,
Straight up. Really lovely to park around here. No timing here now. This should be taken. Southey on backing up. Never let you down.
wide long on, and straight long off. Now comes the mid-wicket region. This is mid-wicket at the circle.
Out.
Short mid-wicket in the close infield.
match, but eventually it's brought about his downfall.
Ricky
And deep mid wicket or sweeper at the boundary line.
Catches the cry, catches the cry.
Deep forward mid wicket is also known as cow corner in cricket.
He goes full, he goes straight, and he clicks up another. Good catch.
Similar to mid-off mid-on, fielding positions in point and square leg are also identical. Square leg is exactly opposite to point in the same line of batsman's crease.
Didn't get hold of it at all, Alex Hales. But what a catch.
Backward square leg behind the crease and forward square leg in front of the crease. As catching positions, there are short leg, backward short leg and forward short leg.
small catch. Puts the one forward, grabs it.
And similarly we have deep square leg, deep backward square leg and deep forward square leg.
All the way again from Root, it's in the air.
Straight to the field, a deep square makes normally.
Now comes the last fine leg region. Similar to third man region, you can have one slip and a gully or two slips in fine leg. Then there is short fine leg.
In the air, Srijan takes it!
And deep fine leg.
Oh, the short ball. Shamaka.
Deep fine leg towards the line of pitch is known as straight fine leg or long leg. Whereas fine leg towards the batsman's crease is square fine leg. Also remember, these positions will become exactly opposite for a left-handed batter. You just have to remember the 8 primary positions in the cricket field which I have discussed earlier in the video, and then you can remember their variations very easily. You must also know some basic rules for naming a fielding position, which are: silly word is used for fielders who stand very close to the batsman in the close infield. Short word is used for the fielders in the close infield and at the 30-yard circle as well. Deep word is used for the fielders at the boundary line. Backward is used for fielders behind the batsman's crease, and forward for fielders in front of the crease. These words are used only in point and square leg regions. Words like fine, straight and long are often used for the fielders fielding close to the line of pitch. Whereas words like wide and square are used for the fielders fielding away from the line of pitch or close to the batsman's crease. These words application is similar in third man fine leg and mid-on mid-off region. My personal suggestion to learn these names would always be to watch and play cricket as much as you can. And also it is the most easy and long-term solution.